Oh yeah? That's so interesting. Is it good food? My son is sitting next to me eating his breakfast right now. Some scrambled eggs and cheese and butternut squash. Ooh, yummy. Yeah. Anyway, so here I am bleaching my roots, or closer to my roots, so that can create a little bit more lightness in my hair. So I start with mixing the bleach powder and the Wella toner, which is a 20 volume in this video. And I love this little whisk I got at the Dollar Tree because it's like a silicone whisk. It doesn't react to the dyes, but it stirs it up really nice, mixes it very great. And then I'm just going to apply it to each layer of my hair. And I'm not going to talk through this whole video. I'll just chime in when I do something new. Okay, so now I'm putting a plastic bag on it so that it stays moist and actually develops nicer. And then I'm adding a little Head and Shoulders to the bleach powder and developer. That way I can create a bleach bath, which means it's bleach, right? And developer, but it's also mixed with the shampoo, which causes it to bubble. It's easier to apply. It's a little weaker, which is fine because now I'm going to use this to apply it directly onto my scalp, which I was leaving out originally because we don't need to be burning our scalp off every single time, especially because I had already pre-lightened the root area of my hair previous to this video, in the last video, to be honest. So now I'm just applying the bleach bath to my scalp, and then I drag it down. Even though the length of my hair doesn't need to be lightened anymore, I just didn't want to create some kind of harsh line. But you'll see how it turns out in the end. More time in the plastic bag. I've been finding this is really important for me and my hair type, is to put the plastic bag on. When I use a higher developer, I tend to don't need the plastic bag to seal the heat in. It's potent enough, I guess. Okay, so this is after sitting around with it for about another 10 minutes probably. Just checking it out, checking the heat level, itching my head lightly. And deciding that it should have a little bit more time, maybe 5 more minutes. And now I'm deciding it's plenty lightened. Let's go in the shower. And this is it wet right out of the shower. I'm not going to dry my hair. I usually don't after I bleach just because it's already damaged. The heat will damage it further. And I plan on doing a toning mask. So in a previous video, I did this toning mask straight, like just on my hair, and my hair turned very violet, which is cool and everything. But this time I'm going to use part of it and water it down without water. Water it down with more conditioner. So just the conditioner I got also at the Dollar Tree, something easy, something just as a pastel maker for some of my other dyes. And it smells nice. So I just mix that in. I did need to blow dry this a little bit on a low setting because the toning masks ask for slightly damp hair, but my hair was soaking wet at first. So we're drying it up a little bit, and then I'm going to apply the conditioner down toning mask. And a quick visit from my mom, who is staying with us for a couple weeks while I heal from my gallbladder removal. This year has been a doozy with surgeries, but at least dyeing my hair makes me feel myself again, which is why I'm going through all these processes. And you know, I love making videos just for myself and documenting it for me, and it's a getting back to normal. I think I sat with this for about 2 hours because my son fell asleep and we were just hanging out together on the couch. And then I went to shower it off. And this is the look afterwards. It's not a harsh line between the very yellow parts at my root and the long parts. He's so cute. But I like it. I mean, it lasted a while. I kept it a while. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. And yeah, I have more videos to come because, you know, I'm never finished. I'm just never done with my hair. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.